Masarap.
Ha?
Masarap.
Masarap. Nyuko ka? I'm not doing this, guys. It's my first time. Guys, malalaki lang yung yellow, ah. Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, galing akong church guys. Kumain lang ako ng konti. Hindi na ako nagpalit guys kasi nga time is going. So, guys, it's me again, Maria, an OFW who is working here in Gambia. So, for today's video guys, we'll go to Binta's place. We will feed the kids with homemade pizza. So, let's go guys! Guys, malapit na tayo sa kanila. Mainit guys, katanghalian. Jamila. Ay. What is beautiful. Bintu is very beautiful. Ramadan is finished na. It's finished. We are here guys. Kaifi. They are very beautiful. Oh guys, it's good. Ramadan is finished. So all the kids can eat now. They are finished with their fasting. Huh?
Kamusta?
Auntie Binta is here.
Hello guys. I miss you people, ah.
Yeah. What we will prepare today?
Today we're supposed to make pizza.
Yes, homemade pizza, guys.
Yes.
So, Acha, let's go.
Let's go.
I want pink. I want pink. I want pink.
No pink. So we will buy. What we will buy? Some egg, yeast, and charcoal.
We supposed to buy oil.
Oh, also oil.
I think the pizza is supposed to be. And then, after before they tell me that you're gonna make pizza.
Guys, we will just
Anta,
take help from Anta. We don't know. Me and Binta doesn't know how to make the pizza crust.
Yes. We don't know.
A few minutes later.
Guys, we already bought what we need.
You see now, we are going, huh?
Yes. Jaja is very stubborn, you see?
She said you didn't get that contract.
Sorry, Kai. Later I will greet. You see this stubborn girl, oh? She get balloon without paying it. So guys, we will start. Our ingredients are complete now. What is that?
Salt.
Salt. Guys, it's too hot today. You see, auntie, huh? So this is butter.
Yes.
What is that, Anta?
It's yeast.
Yes.
Ako lang ay tanggal nila siya. Tahawal, awa.
We are asking help from Mommy Anta.
Yes.
But Mommy Anta doesn't want to be in the video na.
No.
Need force to need it. Mommy Sira is doing the kneading, no?
Yeah.
We're just both watching, no? We don't know.
You gotta do it. Even if
Yeah.
I see me.
But we are learning from
maybe
them.
you can try, but me, I cannot try.
We are learning na from them. Make sauce. Auntie Binta and I will invent a sauce. Huh, Auntie?
Yes.
We will invent a sauce.
Yes. We're supposed to make sauce. Then let's go with the sauce, huh?
See, we have now a new cook, ah. Eh, what kind of cook is this? You are not yet done. Hi. Guys, this is our sauce. Okay, so we will make the pizza crust now after that. Okay. As we finish cooking the sauce, now we will make the crust. Auntie, you can make it?
Yes, I can make it, huh?
You can make it, no? So guys, we are making now the pizza crust, ah. Pakiramdam ko guys, panadera ako, ah. Woo! I'm not doing this guys, it's my first time. See? Woo! You do like this? Let's do like this. So, bilog-bilogin lang. Ito lang yung bibilog-bilogin guys, ah. Hindi yung ulo, ah. So guys, we are cooking now the crust first. And then we will put sauce after. So guys, we have some crust that is cooked already. So we will put sauce. While Auntie Binta is cooking the crust. It's wrong. We put sauce first, and then the cheese. So guys, what we are doing, iniinit na lang namin para mag-melt yung cheese. And then magawa lang ako ng inumin na parang mais con yelo, saging con yelo ba. Tapos kakain na kami.
Easy, yeah?
Yes.
I can scoop it, yeah. Now do we use spoon?
Yeah. Just we need some sugar.
Small. Yeah, Andy. Let's move the table, yeah. That is having some. This one is there.
Guys, tapos na tayo. Lalagyan na lang asukal yun, no? Tapos papakainin na natin yung mga kids. Guys, malalaki lang yung yelo, ah. Mais con yelo. It's like that, guys. Auntie Winta is the one.
Nice. Ini lah, yang lagi nggak jauh. So nanti akan pelat, pas pelat jadi jadi lagi. Awal ni sampai semua orang, mungkin ni terbang lah bang, ya kanasa bapak deh. Orang kan heboh, betul apa bang ada? Bawa mana buru yang boleh jalan, mau ke tanah bapak, dia mau kerja, bunyi setiap aja, terus kok bapak sama aja. Oh aja. Ada kamu tadi gak sih?
Nehena? Nehena? Jajan Nehena?
Masarap.
Ha?
Masarap.
Masarap. Oh. Auntie Binta cannot eat. She's still on fasting. Huh?
Yes, I'm fasting. But next week I will eat inshallah.
Molo is looking at me.
Nehna masarap.
Aja?
Nehna masarap.
Guys, nagustuhan nila yung ano natin na mais con yelo. Tapos yung sa crust, guys, pizza crust, medyo makapal siya. So, it takes time for the kids to eat. Pero nagustuhan din naman nila.
Anak. Amin. 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 Anak. Amin. Acha? Amin. 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 Amin.
So, auntie, how's the pizza?
This is okay. They say it's nice.
Yeah, they said it's masarap.
It's masarap. Yes.
But, I don't know, guys. It's my first time na. You know, we make it thin. But still, it became thick now when we are cooking it. So, that's why it takes time for the kids to eat.
Yes.
But they finish it, guys.
They finish it. It's eatable. They finish it. Me, I don't eat it yet.
Yeah.
After.
But auntie will eat later, na? So guys, I will just shout out 4 people. So, idol ko Jan TV 1756. Shout out po sa inyo. And Ligaya Ramos 7766 from Quezon City. Shout out din po sa inyo dyan. Say shout out. Also, I want to shout out Eduardo Arcillas. Shout out po sa inyo dyan. And M. Salvador 3929, shout out po. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.
You see, we are happy for you people.
Yeah.
Without you, we cannot go, huh? You know these people, they are fighting us, eh? Without you people, we cannot go, huh?
Yeah. We want to appreciate you all guys for supporting us.
Those who are new here, just subscribe our video and like and share.
Yes.
And comment there.
Yes.
Yes. You see, next time we can add another.
So guys, I think that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Always remember, don't forget that you are amazing. Bye-bye.